Hi everyone, I'm Herrick Kimball. I'm standing out here on this May morning beside my mini bed garden in front of a framework that I made using the grape trellis connectors that I invented and sell. This is an Espalier or Espalier framework for an apple tree. I'm going to close up on it and show you because this is extremely simple to make. I've seen some really complicated, expensive, time-consuming Espalier frameworks on the internet, and I don't think they need to be that complicated. This is simple. So I'm going to get behind the camera and I'm going to show you what I've done and show you that this is indeed a pretty nifty idea. I planted this apple tree a couple of years ago. You can see the bottom will come right up, and I'll show you the branches to the left and to the right and up again. Being right next to my garden, this was easy to attend to, unlike some other apple trees I have planted in a field that is a distance away and they don't get tended to. And this is an easy, remarkably easy system if you can attend to it through the growing season. Now here you can see it's just a T-post I have in the ground. I don't know the height, I'll put that on the screen. And this is the fitting right here. You can see it. I've got one in my pocket. This is the fitting that I make and sell. You can make these yourself if you want. The instructions are in my Planet Whizbang idea book for gardeners. But I make these and I sell them along with the hose clamp that you need. And you just set that right down here, right on top of the T-post, and clamp it on, and you cut your 1-inch EMT top to fit between the posts, and there's screws here that you screw right down, and that's it. Then I strung a couple of wires, pulled them tight. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that. I'll get up close here. Pulled them tight, and that was it. That was it. Voila. People ask, what do you do with that end like that? Well, I don't do anything. I just leave it like that. It's not going to hurt anything. If you want to stuff it with something, you can. But that's it. That's the framework. You don't need any support wires going down. You don't need any extensive bracing, because the T-posts and the solid top keep this. It'll jiggle back and forth, but it'll hold. It's a very strong structure. And this particular Espalier tree did well. I planted 2 others that did not do so well, so I won't show them to you. I don't want to show you my failures. I just want to show you my successes. All right? That's kind of like human nature, I think. Occasionally I'll show you my failures, but now it's nice to see success. This is a Honeycrisp. So there you go. That's the idea. That's how it works. And you can do it with the Planet Whizbang grape trellis connectors, just like you see right there. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you will go forth and make Espalier frames for apple trees and have a lot of fun with that. Bye-bye.